Hello everyone, my name is Kevin from JBH. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the box of D23 and have an initial setup. It's really simple and easy. First of all, let's open up the top of the carton by cut the stripes off and also the tabs off, that we can open up the carton. Then we can lay the whole carton down, that allow us to drag out units. It's really simple and easy. Next, let's open up the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. Just one hand hold the top of the seat back. Then we lean the wheelchair to the front and pull the seat back. That allows us to open up the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. We set up the seat cushion on the top of the seat back cushion with logo to the back. Insert right in between the space here. One thing is the controller. There's a pipe here. We just insert into the pipe of armrest. Turn the knob to tight, and then connect the both connector with arrow to arrow. Then turn the knob in the middle to tight. Wheelchair has freewheel mode design that allow you to switch from manual or electric control. Simply just push the two levers on the back here to the front that allow you to control through the hands. If you want to control through the electric mode, just push the two levers back. In order to access the wheelchair, we need to flip up the armrest. You want to go through the side. Simply just turn the lever of the armrest that you can flip up the armrest, and then you can access from here, or either you can go through the front. Turn on the power. The power is ready because we have the wheelchair battery charged when it goes out of the factory. Simply just control the joystick to the front, to the back, to both sides, left or right. This is really simple and easy. Even you can have a 360-degree point inverters, no problem at all. There are actually two ways for charging the battery. You can choose the joystick controller charge. That there is a charging port right at the front of the joystick controller. That simply plug in the charger plug here. That you can connect to power source for charging. Is really simple and easy. The second way is a off-board charge design. Simply just pull out the battery under the seat here. There's a charging port right in front of the battery box that you can simply just plug in here, and then you can take out the battery either inside your house, or you can take it out for any other place whenever there's a power source for charging. Put up the wheelchair is also very simple and easy. Just find out the folding mechanism with the red button on the back here. Simply we push it down and then push the seat back to the front a little bit, that we can hold the seat base here and also hold the top of the seat backrest on the other hand. Then we can push the both hands towards the center, that you can fold the wheelchair in 1 second. And the final thing is the full step. That's a simple way to have an initial setup and open up the box, and also you find the fold and unfold is really easy and convenient. I hope you find the video is really helpful for you. You got any problem, please check the user's manual or subscribe to our YouTube channel and put your thumbs up. Thank you very much.